This is a room tour of an interior cabin, room 6289. When you come in the door, it's a spacious room, as you can see. We have both beds pushed together. But unlike your normal interior room or ocean view or balcony, it is kind of just a large square room in here. A lot of room. Back over here, you can see the closets are all on one side. Plenty of closet space. There is the safe that's in the closet. Life vest in the bottom. One tall closet with hangers. An extra pillow in the bottom. There's also a mirror there for getting ready. Then a bifold door with some shorter shelves in this, and a place for some smaller hang-up clothes. If we pan back around, there's the bathroom we'll take a look at in a second. TV over here with an area to get ready. There's your standard drawer, which I'm assuming has the hairdryer in it. I'm assuming that would be the refrigerator, which it is. And then some storage down below. Nice large TV in it. There's also some USB plugs here. Some power outlets here. On this side, if we pan around here, if I can go to this side, you're going to see some USB outlets in the middle of the bed. So you can put your phone up there to charge. Something they did here that's been unusual. It comes with a card in the card slot already when we came in the room. So you don't have to find a card to put in to keep your lights on. And then the standard bathroom with your soap and your shampoo, your body wash and shampoo already in the shower. The shower is pretty well standard, like on all Carnival ships. So this is room interior 6289 on the Carnival Sunrise.